guys? Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to get over the fear of doing a backflip. So I'll show you it first. The first thing is to practice your backwards roll. So make sure you're comfortable with doing a backwards roll like that. Another way to get over the fear of doing a backflip, either some swings or on a pull-up bar, and you're just going to swing yourself backwards just like shown in the video. Just like that. So those are 2 ways to get over the fear of doing a backflip. Another way is just to go to the side. So what you're going to do, sideways cartwheel basically, and then just keep going more and more vertical. So what it's going to look like is starting like this. See, that wasn't anything, but turn it, keep going more and more vertical. So, and then like that. So just keep, those are 3 ways to not be scared while doing a backflip, because obviously if you're starting to the side, you're not going to be scared doing a backflip. So another tip is to not hesitate while you're doing it. So I would just recommend, as soon as you're ready, you think you're ready to do it, like physically can like jump obviously and physically can tuck, just go for it. And you know, maybe have a spotter. You can do it on mats, but whatever you do, don't freak out in the air. Just continue the flip. You're not going to land on your head unless you bail out. So just go for it, and yeah. So those are a couple ways to get over the fear of doing a backflip for your first time. That's how to do a backflip for your first time. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos. God bless.